Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical dishwashers, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from dishwashers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dishwashers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. COMFEE Portable Dishwasher Countertop with 5-liter built-in water tank. Discover the convenience of the COMFEE Portable Dishwasher Countertop with a 5-liter built-in water tank. This ultra-compact dishwasher is perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. With no installation needed, simply fill the built-in water tank or connect it to your kitchen faucet. Its versatile 6 program options, including normal, rapid, steam, fruit, and glass washing, along with an air-refreshing needs are met. Enjoy high-temp hygiene with a wash cycle that reaches up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for heavily soiled dishes and baby bottles. The touch panel, adjustable rack, and see-through window enhance ease of use, while its quiet operation at 62 dB keeps your environment peaceful. Save water and time with this efficient, space-saving dishwasher that offers powerful cleaning in a compacted design. Number 2. Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher with 6 washing programs. Explore the efficiency and convenience of the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher with 6 washing programs. This under-counter dishwasher with a sleek stainless steel finish is designed to fit compact spaces without compromising on performance. With an 8-place setting capacity, it's perfect for small to medium households. Choose from 6 washing programs: heavy, normal, eco, glass rapid, and rinse, to suit all your dishwashing needs. The durable stainless steel tub ensures long-lasting efficiency, while the low 42 dB noise level offers quiet operation. An Energy Star rating means it's energy efficient, helping you save on utility bills. Enjoy added convenience with a 24-hour timer delay, allowing you to run the dishwasher at your preferred time. The push-button controls make operation simple and intuitive. Upgrade your kitchen with this space-saving, powerful, and stylish dishwasher from Honeywell. Number 3. NOVETE Portable Countertop with 5-liter built-in water tank dishwashers. Discover the ultimate convenience with the NOVETE Portable Countertop dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank. Perfect for small homes, apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs, this compact dishwasher measures just 16.9 into 18.8 into 18.1 inches, but offers a generous capacity for 4 full place settings, accommodating dishes up to 12 inches. With 2 water supply modes, faucet and built-in water tank, you can easily install it without permanent connections. Choose from 5 wash cycles, including a baby care/heavy mode for a deep clean at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for baby products and heavily soiled dishes. The 3-in-1 function combines washing, drying, and ventilating, ensuring your dishes stay dry and odor-free, with 72 hours of automatic ventilation. Its quiet operation at 50 dB and speed wash option, which cleans in just 29 minutes, make it ideal for any busy household. Fully equipped with storage racks and a fruit basket, the NOVETE dishwasher makes dishwashing effortless and efficient. Number 4. SPT 18-inch Wide Portable 6-Wash Program. Simplify your dishwashing routine with the SPT 18-inch wide portable dishwasher. This freestanding dishwasher is ideal for kitchens with limited space, offering an 8-place setting capacity in a compact 23.63-inch, 17.64-inch, 35.63-inch frame. Equipped with 6 versatile wash programs: heavy, normal, eco, glass, 90 min, and rapid, it accommodates a variety of dishwashing needs. The stainless steel interior ensures durability and efficient cleaning, while the rinse aid warning indicator keeps your dishes spot-free. With an energy consumption of just 237 kilowatt-hour per year, it's Energy Star certified for efficiency. The unit operates at a quiet 52 dB, making it perfect for open living spaces. Conveniently designed with a drain hose and faucet adapter, it's easy to set up without permanent installation. Choose the SPT portable dishwasher for a reliable, space-saving solution that delivers sparkling clean dishes every time. Number 5. HAVA Countertop 6 programs, portable dishwashers. Discover the ultimate convenience with the HAVA Countertop portable dishwasher. This compact, no insulation needed dishwasher features a built-in 5-liter water tank, making it perfect for small homes, apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. Measuring just 16.8 inches, 16.7 inches, 18 inches, it offers a large capacity, fitting up to 4 full place settings or 30-plus kitchen items. Choose from 6 wash programs: normal, speed, soft, heavy, baby care, fruit, and dry. Catering to all your dishwashing needs, the 360-degree cleaning coverage ensures sparkling clean dishes every time. Eco-conscious, this dishwasher uses just 5 liters of water per cycle, reducing water consumption by 75%. Its energy-efficient 950-watt operation keeps your utility bills low. Additional features include a drying mode with 60 minutes of hot air drying and 72 hours of automatic ventilation, ensuring your dishes stay fresh and odor-free. With HAVA's rigorous quality control, you can trust in its performance. Simplify your dishwashing routine with HAVA. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.